Hello YouTube, welcome to the garage. Today's going to be another little rant. Working on that 2006 Saab 9.3 that I picked up, and someone had put an aftermarket radio in it. Alpine, here it is, but still an aftermarket radio. This car and Land Rovers, and there's other kinds that the sounds the car makes comes from the radio, like turn signal beeps and door bongs and key boops and whatever, all the sounds the car makes comes through the radio. Not all of them. This one is like that. I've got a Land Rover that's like that. And, whenever you go to like Crutchfield or something like that, looking for an aftermarket radio to change it, they recommend you do not change the radio out. They don't make any adapters or anything for it, because it's an integral part of the car, and you lose some of its functionality. All right, you can put an aftermarket radio in, proof positive here. Some no other way to put it, some piece of shit decided to put an aftermarket radio in this, and they just butchered it. Just cut off all the proprietary stock ends and just wired this shit in. I'll tell you, if you can't figure out a better way to do it, then you need to keep your hands off of people's cars. Because, a real radio tech would figure out how to do it so you could reverse this and make the car work, make the car original, make it whole again. If you do this and you think this is a good job, you're a fucking moron. If that's the best you can do, just keep your hands off of people's fucking cars. Butcher your own. But, this is uncalled for. If you're that stupid that you can't figure out how to install a radio without butchering the stock harness in the car, then you have no business with your hands on anything. Just because the box stores will sell you a box of tools doesn't mean you're any kind of a mechanic or radio installation tech or nothing. You're a worthless piece of shit.